nights where I genuinely didn't know if I was staying. Not because I didn't love her, but because I didn't know if love was enough to fix what I'd broken. She'd fall asleep next to me, peaceful, finally at rest, and I'd just lie there, looking at her, wondering, do I even deserve to be here? Or should I go? Because maybe the pain I'd caused was too much. Looking at her sleeping, all I could think was, I never wanted to do this to you. You didn't deserve it. And that's the thing that carved a hole in my chest, to love someone this much and to be the one who hurt them this deeply. Those two things aren't supposed to live in the same body, but here I was, holding both in the dark while she slept. The betrayal of not choosing her when she needed me most. I'm not going to tell you what I did, but it was the kind of thing that changes how someone looks at you forever. No matter how I showed up, I was seen through the lens of my worst moment. My mistake, my fault, the pain I'd caused. And maybe that's fair. Maybe I'd earned that, but it still hurt. Because I wanted to be more than the worst thing I'd ever done. I wanted to be seen as a man trying. Not just the man who failed her. But I didn't get to decide how she saw me. I'd given that up the moment I hurt her. So I tried. God, I tried. I made the grand gestures, tried to outweigh the pain with effort, showed up, even exhausted, pushing myself, doing whatever I could to make her see how much I wanted this to work. I got more patient, more understanding. I left my defensiveness at the door, stopped fighting her version of what happened. Just listened to her hurt. Even when being seen that way was almost unbearable, I did everything I could think of to make it right. And still, I didn't know if any of it was landing. Because some damage, you can't gesture your way out of. Some damage just needs time. You can't control. Late at night when it was quiet, maybe this can't be repaired. No matter my optimism, no matter how hard I try, maybe the pain is just too great, and underneath that, an even harder one. Do I even deserve to repair it? Some nights I'd lie there and think, maybe she's better off without me. Maybe the most loving thing I could do is go. I didn't have an answer. I just had the question sitting on my chest. And if I let it, my mind would spiral. Well, what if the future's there? What if it's not? What if I give everything and still lose her? What if? I was so busy fearful of a future I couldn't control that I was missing the love right in front of me. And living my love in fear? That isn't living. I can't control whether she forgives me. I can't control whether we make it. I can't even control whether my best is good enough. The only thing I can control is how I show up. And the moment I saw that, I could finally breathe. So I made peace, not knowing. Her forgiveness is on her time, not mine. I can't rush it, can't earn it on a schedule, can't force the repair. And life doesn't come with guarantees. All the effort in the world doesn't promise me the outcome I want, or even the one I think I deserve. I still don't know if I deserve to stay. I've just stopped waiting to find out, because the answer was never going to arrive in words. It only shows up in how I keep choosing to show up. So here's the thing I've never said out loud until now. I don't know what the future holds. I don't know if it can be fixed. I don't know if I deserve to be the one who fixes it. But while we're still here, while there's still an us, I'm going to work to make it right. Even if it fails. Because love requires risk. And I'd rather love her fully, not knowing if I get to keep her, than protect myself by holding back. I'm all in. That's the only answer I've got. If you're still thinking about this after the video ends, that's where I write Beyond the Walls. Link in the description.